Simplify 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 42 plus 1 upon 56 plus 1 upon 72. Here we can see that in each term, after the first term, the denominator is the product of two consecutive natural numbers. So we are going to use this to simplify these terms. Hello viewers, welcome back, and you are watching Philo Math. Now let us begin the solution. Here this is the given number. We have to find the sum of all these numbers, and from the second to the last term, their denominators are the product of two consecutive natural numbers from second to the last term. So first of all, let us simplify the second term, 1 upon 6, and this is equal to 1 upon, we can write 6 as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, and 1 is the difference of these two numbers in the denominator, and we can split this as 3 upon 3 into 2 minus 2 upon 3 into 2. Now we can cancel 3 with 3 in the first term, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 with 2 in the second term, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Therefore 1 upon 6 becomes 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Similarly 1 upon 12 is equal to, we can write this as 4 minus 3 upon 3 into 4, and we can split it into two terms, and it becomes 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 3 upon 3 into 4. Now we can cancel 4 with 4 and 3 with 3, and again it also becomes 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Similarly, the third term within the bracket, 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. In the same way, 1 upon 30 as 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6. 42 as 1 upon 42 as 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 7. 1 upon 56 as 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 8, and the last term within the bracket, 1 upon 72 as 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 9. Now we have simplified each term within the bracket into simplest form. Now we are going to substitute these values. So for 1 upon 6 we can write 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Similarly for 1 upon 12, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. For 1 upon 20 this. For 1 upon 30 this. For 1 upon 42 this. For 1 upon 56 this. And for 1 upon 72 this. Let us substitute these values. Now it becomes, the first term remains as it is, 1 upon 9. For 1 upon 6 we can write 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. For 1 upon 12 we can write 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Plus for 1 upon 20 we can write 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. And for 1 upon 30 we can write 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6. Plus for 1 upon 42 we can write 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 7. Plus for 1 upon 56 we can write 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 8. Plus for the last term 1 upon 72 we can write 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 9. The last number 1 upon 72 is equal to 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 9. Now we are going to open the brackets with plus sign. Now the first number remains as it is, 1 upon 9. and plus into plus is plus 1 upon 2, plus into minus is minus 1 upon 3, plus into plus is plus 1 upon 3, plus into minus minus 1 upon 4, plus into plus 1 upon 4, plus into minus minus 1 upon 5, plus into plus 1 upon 5, plus into minus minus 1 upon 6. We can continue here, plus into plus 1 upon 6, plus into minus minus 1 upon 7, plus, because plus into plus is plus 1 upon 7, minus plus into minus minus 1 upon 8, plus into plus 1 upon 8, and plus into minus minus 1 upon 9. Now we can see that some numbers exist in pairs with opposite sign. 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9, they are cancelled. Minus 1 upon 3 and plus 1 upon 3 are cancelled. Minus 1 upon 4 with plus 1 upon 4, minus 1 upon 5 with this, and this with this, and this with this, and this with this. Now we can see after cancelling all the possible numbers, there exists only one number, that is 1 upon 2. We can write this in decimal form, which is equal to 0.5. And this is the simplified value of this number. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.